and welcome you all in your history class. Last time we have already started with chapter 5. Today we are continuing the same thing. We have already started with the Aryans and we have already learned about the different political lives of the Aryans. Today we will be starting with their social life. Okay. So what kind of society does this Aryan used to stay? In later Vedic period, you can see that, in the early Vedic period, the social life, especially it was known as Varna system. Okay, Varna system means here the occupation was depend on their hereditary. Like the four Varna was there, that is Brahmins, Kshatriya, Vaishyas and Shudras. Okay, the Brahmins were the priests. They were the highly class and they were highly, you can say the higher caste in the society, and they were mostly the priests who used to perform different religious ceremonies. Not only religious ceremony, the priests sometimes they play the role of doctors. Okay, because giving some different kind of medicines that they used to give, that was known as Ayurvedic medicine, that Brahmins used to give. Okay, so in the society of Aryans, the Brahmin was the main role, or you can say the first class was Brahmins. Next you have Kshatriyas. Kshatriyas were the king or the warriors, okay, who were mostly have these kind of soldiers, warriors or different kind of kings. You can say they belong to this Kshatriyas clan. Okay. Next you have Vaishyas, that is the traders. They were also traders and merchants. That means depends of their money. They mostly have the exchange of money, or they can say that deal with the money part. They were as Vaishyas. Okay. Next you have the Shudras were the lower caste in the society, and they were the laborers. Okay, this early Vedic period, when the society has depend on the Varna, that time what happened after when the person is birth, when the person has been he or she will getting the birth, that time he can shift the occupation. Okay, that means if the person wants to go in the Vaishya, he can come. If the person wants to go with the Kshatriyas, they become the warriors. But if you go with the later Vedic period, this becomes very constant. Okay, the occupation become very strict, and the caste system was mean a very, you can say one kind of discrimination started in the later Vedic period. Because what happened at that time, the person cannot change the occupation. They become so rigid that they have to stick on their caste and they have to stick on their occupation. Got it? So this is about the social life. Now we'll learn in the social life, we'll learn the 4 stages of life. Okay. Now see, 4 stages of life. Okay. The different stage of life was there in the Aryans, or you can say in the life of the Aryans. First was the Brahmacharya. Okay. It was a student life. They has to stay in the Gurukul, or they has to stay in with their gurus. Okay, in the Gurukul, and where they will be learning different knowledge. They will be learning different kind of you can say teaching of their weapons. Okay, different kind of artillery. So they will be learning different kind of knowledge. Okay, that the gurus used to get to the students. So you can say next is your Grihastha. Okay, after the Brahmacharya you have Grihastha, that is the married life. Okay, or household life. Next you have Vanaprastha, that is the after Grihastha, when the person gets started coming in the age, they started going with the prayer and meditation. Okay, and last was your Sannyasa. The person will be leaving their house and they will be roaming around as a aesthetic life. They will be leading the aesthetic life. Okay, renunciation as an aesthetic. That means a saint life. That means he will be living all his life, all his luxurious thing, and will be going in the jungles. Okay, for the getting a peace. Got it? So this was the 4 stages of life. Now see here, Gurukul system. Gurukul system was one of the most important part. Okay, in the Vedic age, because what happened in the Gurukul system, there was the students used to gather. Okay, the different from the warriors or from any king family or from the normal family, the students used to come in under the Gurukul, and they used to get the knowledge. Okay, they used to have a Brahmacharya life, and they used to stay with the gurus in the Gurukul. And in return, what they used to do, they used to collect different kind of, you can say that sticks, okay, for burning fire, different kind of fruits, food, okay, they used to collect for the ashrams, okay. And there was no fees was being paid to the guru. Only the Guru Dakshina. It was a very important part. The Guru, or you can say the students, they has to give in to the Guru. And after the end of the training, they have to give a special kind of, you can say, a gift. Okay, that was a Guru Dakshina, a special tribute by the students to their gurus. Okay, so this was a Gurukul system. So let us learn about their food habits. Now see, if we talk about the foods, we have milk and milk products like ghee and butter. Okay, made up a principal part of the diet of the people. Okay, they also ate fruits, vegetables and cereals. Okay, like barley, wheat and rice. Okay, and we talk about the drink. They have two types of drink, that is sura, a drink made from barley, and soma, that is a special drink, specially drink used for the religious purpose. So this was a food habits. Okay, see here. Now you have these clothes and ornaments. Okay, both man and woman wore more than two items. That means two things they has to be wear on their dress. Okay, according to their attire. They have more than two items, that is unstitched clothing. First was their antariya. Antariya was tied around the waist, in the down part. Okay, they used to wear that antariya around the waist, and uttariya they drap around the soldier, like your dupatta. They used to carry one uttariya that was in a like a soldier. They used to wear, they used to drap it, and that was made of cotton and silk. Okay, this was the dress of the Aryans. Let us start now with their economic life. Now see, if you talk about the economic life, we have the early and later. Okay, the early Vedic people follow the pastoralists. They were pastoralist founder. Okay, next when they came into later Vedic people, they turned themselves as a agriculture. Okay, that is they mostly grew rice, wheat and barley. The fields were irrigated with water drawn from wells or canals. Okay, and the very best thing that iron has started with the iron. So we can say that the iron was used to make agriculture implements. That means different kind of agriculture tools or weapons, or you can say implements that was made by the iron. Okay, as iron has started with the discovery of iron, so it becomes very famous. Okay, next we have this barter system. See, barter system, as you know, barter system is the exchange of goods. Okay, as they used to like much kind of milk products, and milk products was been a very famous, and you can say the one part or important part of life. So in barter system, what they used to exchange? They used to exchange cows. Okay, the cow has become the unit of exchange. Okay, that is a barter system. Got it? Then in the later Vedic period, what happened? An ornament known as nishka. Now see, according to your dictionary or according to your English dictionary, you can say that nishka means pure and honest. Okay, but in Vedic period it was used as an ornament. Okay, and it was afterwards what happened, this ornament now it is used as a coins, as a gold coin in a modern time. Okay, but in the Vedic they used to have this ornament that was known as nishka. Got it? So this is about the economic life. Let us start with the last topic, that is religion. Now see, if we talk about the religion, we have two types of goddesses, or you can say god. Okay, they used to worship in early Vedic period and the later Vedic period. Okay, let us start with the early Vedic. The Aryans worship Agni, okay, the god of fire. Indra, god of rain and thunderstorm. Surya, sun god. Prithvi, goddesses of earth. Okay, and Vayu, god of wind. Now see, this god was mainly worshipped for the nature. Okay, they used to worship the nature in the presence of God, but there was no temple. Okay, they used to believe that nature was their god, and in the you can say in the open ground, or you can say the openly, they used to worship these goddesses. Okay, but when in the latter Vedic period, when we came into the latter Vedic period, what happened? This theory, or you can say the worship, has changed into three parts. That is Brahma, Vishnu and Shiva. Brahma, the creator, Vishnu, the protector, and Shiva, the destroyer of death. Okay, so this became the later Vedic age. And here what happened? The religion becomes very complex. Okay, the religion started to become very, you can say, a strict form. And to please the, you can say, started doing different kind of yagyas for to please God in the later Vedic period. But if you talk about the early Vedic period, what happened? To please God, they used to recite different kind of hymns. Okay, hymns I told you, different kind of, you can say song, okay, bhajan, or you can say different kind of mantras they used to recite to please God. So this was the difference between the religion of early and later. Okay, with this we conclude the chapter today. Let us start with your book. Now see here, there are different sites are here. So you go through these sites. This is Chalcolithic sites and this is megalithic sites. Okay. Chalcolithic sites is in Inamgaon. This is just you go through this Chalcolithic sites, so that what are its features, and megalithic culture, the Brahmagiri, you will find the big stones. Okay, the large stones. Megalith means large stones, and this site is mostly famous for its burial. Got it? So you just go through these sites. Now let us start with your keywords, that is new words. Veda, the Sanskrit word meaning to know. Chalcolithic, copper stone age. Megalithic, large stone. Okay, cultures, group of people with common beliefs, custom and arts. You can write group of people with common belief. You can learn this full. Megalithic, a series of culture that merged between 1500 BC and 200 CE. And important feature of which was the erection of megalithic structure or to mark burial sites. So you don't have to learn full, just megalithic culture you learn these dates, and mostly you learn this burial sites. Got it? Next you have this, choose the correct answer. The oldest of the four Veda is the Rig Veda. The stage in the life of a person in the Vedic age where they had to lead the life of married householder was your Grihastha. The meaning of the word megalithic is large stone. Okay. Next you have your fill in the blanks. That is, the word Veda comes from the Sanskrit word Ved, meaning to know. In Vedic society, a number of families made of the Grama or with a Gramini at its head. Okay. Aryan society was divided into 4 Varnas based on occupation. 2 popular drinks of the Vedic people were Soma and it is Sura. Okay. In the Chalcolithic age, people made tools out of copper and stone. Okay. So you will be getting these answers of D and E. A, B, C. Yes, C and D. Yes, this is D number. C and D number you will be getting in the PDF form. Okay. So see you in the next class. Take care.